It's another epic unboxing. Oh. It's another epic unboxing. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. All that good stuff. Go to the website and all that stuff. This is all pre-unboxed.
This is an unboxing.
What happened? What happened? What did you do? What did you do again?
Well, we did this unboxing, massive unboxing. It was fantastic a few weeks ago, and we never released it. We didn't realise, and it's now out of date because I'm pretty sure we shot that in lockdown, didn't we?
I think so, and you didn't have this.
I didn't have the bum fluff on my upper lip.
Yep.
So we thought rather than show something that is in lockdown and well out of date and all that sort of garbage, we'd actually just reshoot it because it was easier.
New product review. Let's call it something like that.
I called it the Claytons review, and Joe doesn't know what I mean by that.
Here we go.
He reckons it's some bush pig thing that no one else knows about. So if you know what I mean by a Claytons review or it's a Claytons, then make a comment on here to Joe about how he's uneducated.
Well, you've already explained it. You already explained it to me, and I do have a vague memory of that. But no, it didn't. It wasn't immediate. Anyway, come on, let's go.
All right,
so this is stuff that is new to. Well, actually, there's one thing that's not new, but most of this stuff is new to Bullion Now.
Yeah, and a lot of it's pretty flash stuff. And I'm going to start over on my favourite stuff.
Right.
Ooh, not sure it is my. Yeah, it's certainly up there with my favourite stuff. Mm-hmm. So everyone would know what the Valcambi bars are.
Yeah.
These are silver Valcambis.
Silver Valcambi combi bars. So Valcambi is the brand, but combi bar is the type.
Yeah. So you can see there, it's probably better on the other side. So it's a 100 gram bar, but it's broken up into 100 by 1 gram chunks.
Amazing.
And you can just snap each one off.
Like a Kit Kat.
Like a Kit Kat. You'll also hear us call them a Kit Kat bar. But these are fantastic. Now, the premium on them is high. Let's not beat around the bush.
Yeah.
You're going to pay more for one of these than you are for 100 grams of silver.
Yep.
But you're going to pay less for one of these than you would pay for 1 grams of silver.
For 1 times 100 gram bar, yeah. Got it.
That's what you meant. Oh, the other 100 one you did. Times 1 gram.
Oh, sorry. Yes, that's what you said. Yeah, you'll pay. Yeah.
So these are great. So it takes the fractionality to the next level, I suppose you'd say. So you're actually buying a 100 gram bar that you can actually just break that little bit off and sell or exchange or give away as a great gift.
Yes, great Christmas
particularly
gifts.
Leading into the gift-giving season. Mm-hmm. But even normally, these are one of my favourite things. So I'm really stoked we could finally get them in.
Excellent. So that's the 100 gram version.
That's the 100 gram version.
The 100 times 1 gram version.
We actually have another 100 gram version.
Yeah.
So this is 10 by 10 grams.
Very cool.
And again, it's 1 bar of 100 grams. But you can break each one of those off into 10 grams of silver and give them away or trade them or whatever you want to do with them.
Amazing.
So again, you're going to pay a higher premium for them than you would for buying a 100 gram bar.
Yep.
But you're still going to pay less than if you were buying 10 gram bars.
Correct.
If that makes sense.
That makes sense.
Love these things.
Yes, they're very cool. Let's stick with the grammage sizes.
So you want to go through to the pamps?
Yeah. So
these are great little pamp. I love pamp products. I really hate
the boxes. Suck. They're not because they're flimsy, because they're too bloody hard to get open. They're very secure boxes.
You wouldn't believe how many nails I've broken on these things.
Oh, mate.
So they come in sheets of. I'm going to have to count 12.
12.
They come in sheets of 12.
So this is the Pamp multigram sheet.
It is
of 12. The question is, are we selling these only in sheets? Will we break them up?
I think we do both.
All right.
Just going by what was the other one that we did? The 1 grammer?
The maples.
The maples, that's right. They were really popular both in the sheets and in the individuals.
Correct. And actually the maples the sheet was for 30 and this is only for 12.
Yeah.
So those sheets are actually going to probably be more popular for people who
on a smaller budget.
Yeah, on a smaller budget. Yeah. That's what I was trying to say.
Yeah, so we'll probably, I'd say we'll create both listings.
Can you flip it over for me, please?
I can.
Thank you. So it's literally just a miniature version of, your Pamp product in the Certi card packaging. Are they, individually serialized as well. Just cool. And they break off very easily.
Oh, absolutely they do.
Yeah, very cool. All right, that's those.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Another one of my favourites.
Good.
Just not the box.
Okay. Let's go to the one that's also on top of the purple box.
So these are pamp bars. Sorry, they're not pamp bars. These are platinum bars is the word I was trying to go for.
We're going back to Valcambi.
So these are Valcambi platinum bars. They're 100 grammers, so people have been asking us for other sizes other than the 1 gram.
Yep.
So, sorry, not the 1 gram, the 1 ounce.
Yep.
So we've started getting in some of the larger sizes. So this is the 100 grammer.
Beautiful. 100 grams of platinum in the Valcambi carded package.
Oh, I know the other thing we didn't show, and
What's
that
that?
was the 10 ounce Swiss platinum bars that we've got in stock.
Ah, okay.
So we might not show those this time, but you'll probably see them on the web as well.
Yeah, you'll see them on the web.
So they're a beautiful little 10 ounce
What's the brand?
Credit Suisse.
Oh, the Credit Suisse 10 ounce ones. Yes, but we've shown them on a video previously.
Quite likely.
We showed it on that really big epic all-in unboxing, if you remember that.
I remember the unboxing.
Yeah. So we did show them then, so technically people have seen them before, but we have more in.
Yeah.
Yep, cool. So 100 grams of platinum. Very cool. 9995. Individually serialized. And in the Valcambi assay card. Very
This
cool.
is probably a great time to plug our Movember auction.
Ah.
So if this comes out before the auction release, look out for it soon. If it comes out after the auction release, get on there and bid for the Platinum Mo that we've actually listed in conjunction with Daniel Germano Jewelers.
Yep.
Or jeweler, I should say.
Yep.
So he's produced one. We're releasing it for auction. All proceeds go to the Movember charity.
Correct.
So look out for that.
I will put a link above. Once the video is a video, I will put a link above right now to that video, and that's where you actually bid on the auction in the pinned comment.
Excellent.
Cool.
All right. Staying on the platinum theme, we have Queen's Beast.
How long have these been sitting on the shelf waiting for a video to happen?
Let's not ask that question on camera.
All right, cool. So, a couple of days.
Unlike the rest of the Queen's Beast series, which has been completed, the platinum ones haven't, and so we've got the Greyhound in. Yes, it's a little bit old because it's been sitting in the safe a few weeks, but it's one of the latest releases in the Queen's Beast series.
Yes.
So if you want to complete your series, or you're a platinum buff like me, this is a great one to get because it will also build your collector's premium.
Absolutely.
Not financial advice.
Not financial advice. Where's the mug when you need it? Oh.
Yeah, now I knew you were going to do that.
There's one.
Yeah.
Very cool. All right, so it is the White Greyhound of Richmond.
That's the one.
Queen's Beast. Platinum 1 ounce coin.
And the Queen's Beast series has been humongously popular.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And as you said, they do it per metal, not bring them all out at the one time. Yep, so they've just started on the platinum versions. Cool.
All right.
A few of those. What's
few of those. Now, the last three are really updates on old stock, if you like.
Yep.
So we'll start with the Britannia.
Okay.
So the 2022 Britannia has been released.
Great.
And you can see it here with all its security features. And I'm not going to list them all now because I'm going to get it wrong.
But we're going to, eventually we will do another video on the specific security features.
I think there's 5, isn't there? 5 security features?
4, I think it is, actually.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
See, I told you I was going to get it wrong. I should have just shut up right from the first place.
But basically, we have the 2022 version in.
We do.
Yep.
And as far as I'm aware, these are the first in country.
Oh, really?
But they were the first in country. Whether they're still the first in country, I can't answer that one.
Good question.
But they certainly were the first in country.
Yep.
We also have had the gold version in. I have one here. You'll have to excuse us. We have actually sold out of the gold version over the counter.
Oops.
I think it did hit the web, but I don't think it ever had a release date on, like a release video.
No.
But we have had it in stock. We do have more coming in, but probably won't be here till the new year.
Okay, so basically we're teasing you by showing this. Ooh, look what you can't have.
Well, you can have. You just have to be a little patient.
That's right. Just be patient. Yes, patience. What is that? 2022 Gold Britannia. Beautiful.
It is.
Yep.
They do a magnificent job of the Britannia.
And could possibly be in
Good on you.
the purple box.
All right, so these are a real old favourite.
Yeah, you guys have seen these before.
Let me see if I can get them out without dropping them everywhere.
Probably not.
Oh, I didn't get to show off my new knife skills.
Your new knife skills?
Yeah, you'll have to wait for the next
What do you mean your
unboxing.
new knife skills?
I've got some new knife skills.
Oh, that's right, you do.
So
That's
we'll
right.
have to-
We'll do that
So
next time.
this is the owl.
Yes.
So these, I love these
Is
things.
this the owl stacker round?
This is the owl stacker round, and we'll
Yes.
show you why in a minute.
Yep. Newey Island?
Yes.
Yes.
So I reckon these make great poker chips.
They look like poker chips.
They do.
And they stack like poker chips too.
They do. So that's the design.
Very cool.
But also this, I don't know if it's still called reading when it's on the inside, not on the edge.
Let's
But
just
the
call it-
reading
Let's call it reading.
works. I might have to take a glove off to get this to work effectively. But they actually lock into each other like poker chips do.
Yeah.
And
The
spin
stackable
around.
coin.
So they are a stacker coin.
Very cool.
You've seen the stacker bars that we've kept in stock at different times when we can get hold of them. These are the coin version of the stacker bars.
Very nice indeed. We've had them before. They're going to be back on the website right now at our excellent bullion prices, as we always do here at Bullion Now.
Absolutely.
What else do they need to know?
That's pretty much it. Like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff.
Hey, that's my line.
It is.
Oh,
I couldn't think
whatever.
of anything else to say.
Fair enough. Head up to bullionnow.com.au. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. It's kind of, sort of, not
Clayton's unboxing.
a Clayton's unboxing. Is that going to be the title? You never know. It could
Never
be. All right. That's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.